There's a light moving across the sky.
Oh yeah! What do you think it is?
I don't think it's a comet or an airplane. It's moving in a straight line across the sky and it's not twinkling.
That means it's probably a satellite. Satellites orbit close to Earth, much closer than stars or other planets. I think we should get close up and find out more. Are you ready? Twende, let's go! Satellites are so interesting and cool, floating around the world every day. But how did they get up there? Well, we learned a lot about satellites when we technovated one to change the world. We sent our satellite into space on a rocket. Wow! Whoosh! We have liftoff! The satellite could monitor the weather, predict storms and droughts, maybe even discover an alien or two. And keep an eye on naughty to roar.
Sema and all of Dunia too. One day AI will triumph forever.
So what are satellites?
It's time for a supersat. Tell us more about satellites. A satellite is any object that orbits or goes around a planet or star. Satellites like this are made on Earth and launched into space on rockets. They usually have a computer and solar panels to get power from the sun.
And sometimes they can have scientific equipment, like special cameras to film outer space or see what's happening on Earth.
Here's a super fact. Today there are more than 2,000 satellites orbiting Earth. But how do they stay up there, MB? What about gravity?
Good point. Gravity is what makes things fall back to Earth. It's an invisible force that pulls objects towards each other.
When objects are farther away from the Earth, the gravity pulls much less.
Satellites must move at a certain speed so they don't get affected by gravity and can stay in space. They have to change speed depending on how far or close they are to Earth.
We used a super big rocket to break the pull of Earth's gravity and send our satellite into space. But you can make your very own little rocket at home. Want to try? Then let's technovate! First, make the launcher. Take an empty juice pouch, snack packet, or recycle a small plastic food bag and place a straw inside, taping it closed. Make sure there are no holes in the pouch other than the top of the straw. Now, make the rocket's body by rolling a square piece of paper over a pencil and tape along the seam, removing the pencil.
Then, add some fins. Glue 2 pieces of paper on each side and trim the ends at an angle.
Finally, tape the top of the rocket.
You can decorate your rocket with markers, paints, stickers. Make it your own.
And we're ready for blast-off! Want to try it?
Oh yeah!
First, inflate the juice pouch or snack packets like this. Then put the rocket over the straw, aiming the rocket upwards. Place it on the ground, then stomp on the pouch.
3, 2, 1. We have liftoff!
Yeah! The air inside the pouch creates a force which blasts it off.
That was cool! Whoa! Nice rocket, Moyo!
Why not launch your own rocket? Watch my other STEAM vlogs for even more inspiration. Together we can change the world. Stay super and keep technovating. Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe.